everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use Sketchbook Free Edition to draw Poinsettia, the signature Christmas houseplant. 今天给大家讲一下怎么用 Sketchbook 这个免费的 app 来画圣诞花卉一品红。Switch to red color R29, 换成红色 R29. Change to Paintbrush 1 under Traditional, 换成传统下面的笔刷1。We draw the first layer red leaves. 我们来画第一层的红叶。Change to hair under artist. 换成艺术画笔下面的头发。Modify the size to 20. 把大小变成20。Smudge the leaves from bottom to tip until there is no visible lines. 把每个叶片从根部到尖部拉一拉，直到你看不到任何的线条为止。Change to hard eraser under legacy. 换成旧版下面的硬橡皮擦。We erase to shape the leaves. 我们通过擦除来得到叶片的形状。Modify the eraser size to 2. 把橡皮擦的大小变成2。We use this size to separate the leaves. 我们用这个大小来把叶片分开。Now duplicate the layers, then merge both layers to make the red color more solid. 复制叶片的涂层，然后把两个涂层合并，这样能使红色更深一点。Open the HSL adjustment for the layer. Change the saturation to 20%. 把涂层的 HSL 调整打开，然后把饱和度升为 20%。Create a new layer at the bottom. 在最下面新建一个涂层。We repeat the same process to draw the second layer red leaves. 我们用同样的方法来画第二层的红叶。Paintbrush 1 to draw, hair to smudge, hard eraser to shape. 我们用笔刷1来画，头发来抹，最后用硬橡皮擦来造型。Duplicate then merge the second leaves layer. 把第二层叶片的涂层复制，然后合并。Open the HSL adjustment to make the saturation to 10%. And the lightness to 5. 打开 HSL 调整，把饱和度升成 10%， 亮度升为5。Create a new layer at the bottom for the third layer leaves. 在最下面新建一个涂层来画第三层的叶子。The third layer leaves not only have a red color but also green color. 第三层的叶子不仅有红色，还有绿色在上面。Switch to blue color B37. 换成蓝色 B37。B37 is the complementary color of R29. It's more elegant to use B37 than any of the green colors. 为了避免红配绿显得不高雅，所以我们选择用 R29 的补色 B37 来代替绿色。We need to erase the inner edge of the third leaf layer, which is supposed to be covered by the two layers above. 第三层叶子被上面两层叶子盖住的地方，也要用橡皮来擦一下。Duplicate then merge the third leaf layer. 复制第三层叶片的涂层，然后合并。Open the HSL adjustment, then change the lightness to 5. 把 HSL 调整打开，然后把亮度升为5。Create a new layer at the bottom with blue color B37 for the fourth leaf layer. 新建一个涂层在最下面。并用蓝色 B37 来画第四层的叶子。Duplicate then merge the fourth leaf layer. 复制第四层的叶片涂层，然后合并。Open the HSL adjustment, then decrease the lightness to -10. 把 HSL 调整打开，把亮度降为-10。Create a new layer at the bottom for the fifth blue leaf layer. 新建一个涂层在最下面来画第五层的蓝叶子。Duplicate then merge the fifth leaf layer. 把第五层的叶片复制，然后合并。Open the HSL adjustment, then decrease the lightness to -20. 把 HSL 调整打开，然后把亮度降为-20。Create a new layer at the bottom for the sixth blue leaf layer. 新建一个涂层在最下面来画第六层的蓝叶子。Duplicate then merge the sixth leaf layer. 把第六层的叶子复制，然后合并。Open the HSL adjustment. Decrease the lightness to -40. Create a new layer at the top. 在上面新建一个涂层。Switch to yellow-green color YG13. 换成黄绿色 YG13 Change to medium brush under traditional 换成传统下面的中等画笔 Let's draw the flowers 我们现在来画一下花 Switch to red color R29 换成红色 R29 Change to pencil 2 under traditional 换成传统下面的铅笔2 We draw the flower stamen 我们来画一下花蕊 Switch to yellow-green color YG03 换成黄绿色 YG03 Change back to use medium brush 换回中等画笔 Give some different colors on the flowers Drag down the flower layer to make it behind the two top red leaf layers. Switch to use hard eraser. 换成来用硬橡皮擦 We erase the flower parts which are supposed to be covered by the leaves. Create a new layer at the bottom. 在下面新建一个图层 Switch to color black. 换成黑色 Change to synthetic flat brush 3. 换成合成平头画笔3 Decrease the size to 10. 把大小降为10 We draw branches to connect the flowers. 我们来画一些枝子来连接花朵 Use the hard eraser to erase the branches which are supposed to be covered by the leaves. Merge all the layers. 把所有的图层合并 Use the same method to draw another set of flower on a different layer. 用同样的方法在另外一个图层上面再画一组花There is a trick to use the soft eraser and the legacy with size 5 to distinguish the leaves from the same layer or from different layers. 我们可以把旧版下面的软橡皮擦的大小降为5，然后用这个笔刷来区别在同一图层或者不同图层的叶片。For the second poinsettia, we also duplicate and merge each of the leaf layers and adjust the saturation and the lightness exactly the same as what we did for the first poinsettia. 对于第二颗一品红，我们也要复制并且合并每一个叶片的图层，然后调整它的饱和度和亮度，调整的参数和第一颗一品红是一模一样的。We add a few flowers for the second poinsettia too. 我们给第二颗一品红也加一些花。After that, we will draw a few more poinsettias as secondary flowers. 之后我会再画几颗一品红来作为陪衬。For the secondary poinsettias, we will emphasize the flowers, but not the leaves. That's why we will draw more flowers and we will not duplicate the leaf layers. 但对于陪衬的那几颗一品红来说，我们要突出的是花朵，而不是叶片。所以这几颗要多画花，并且叶片的图层不再复制合并了。Create a new layer at the bottom， 在最下面新建一个图层 Change to color black， 换成黑色 Switch to synthetic flat brush 3 with its default setting， 换回合成平头画笔3，重置默认值 We draw the supporting branch for the first poinsettia， 我们来给第一颗一品红画一下支撑它的枝干Then use the hard eraser and the soft eraser to erase the branches which are supposed to be covered by the leaves. 然后用硬橡皮擦和软橡皮擦来擦掉应该被叶子盖住的枝。Create a new layer at the bottom. 在下面新建一个图层。Enable the gradient fill from the top. 上面的线性填充。Remove the gray dot by dragging it away from the dotted line. 把中间灰色的点拉离虚线，这样它就消失了。Choose the black dot and change its color to blue color B97. 选择黑色的那个圈，然后把它的颜色变成蓝色 B97. Create a new layer at the top. 在上面新建一个图层。Switch to color white. 换成白色。Change to speckled under texture essentials. 换成纹理要素下面的斑点。Modify the size to maximum. 把大小变到最大。Under advanced, decrease the size randomness to 0. 在高级下面把大小随机化降为0。Let's get a white Christmas. 让圣诞节下雪吧。One thing I find out while drawing poinsettia is, because there are so many leaves, it doesn't matter what shapes the leaves are. You just draw as you wish. They always look good. See you next time. Bye.